Hey guys, and I popped over to the fantastic town of Olula del Rio this afternoon to film this stunning Cortjo Oleander. I'm not going to give too much blurb on the outside, but I think let's go and take a look on the interior, and I'm sure anyone who loves character homes will fall in love with this absolutely gorgeous house. Now you've got off-street parking, and then that leads you up. You've got a lovely front terrace here, which at the moment currently soaked in sunshine, but I expect of an evening this will be a bit cooler. And then these glorious double doors that you always get on these fantastic character homes. And this very unusual property, because you know you're a country home, you feel that you're in the middle of nowhere, when actually you're within 15 minutes easy walk to the large market town of Olula del Rio, with some fantastic cafes, bars, restaurants, shops, you name it, 2 big supermarkets, Mercadona. I can see Mercadona from the back garden, and it's a brand new one, so you're not remotely cut off at all. And coming on inside, you're instantly struck with just how much kind of cooler it is. Now, traditional design here, first 2 bedrooms, one to the left, one to the right. It's very typical because these houses offer such versatility. These are not actually utilised as bedrooms, far more useful. One on the left hand side here is providing a big kind of office space, and this partition wall, I've seen people knock this down and, you know, create these fantastic great big open hallways, but why not utilise the space a bit better? And then right hand side, kind of a cloakroom and dressing room as opposed to a bedroom, but that's bedroom 1 and bedroom 2. As you can see, very sympathetically restored, lovely tiling scheme running throughout. Coming into this super central living room, fantastic wood burning stove here, and that's the chimney goes up then onto a landing area above, so provides some heat up there as well in the winter months when it's on the go. It just flows right through from back to front, which again is a very nice design feature. Love the cladding in here, but a very cozy and comfortable and cool central living room. Straight through then onto a very good sized kitchen diner, and then those double doors straight out into a very large utility room and on into the glorious back garden. So out into the kitchen diner, and another very nice wood burner tucked away conveniently there. Love the way the owners have kept some of the authentic kind of shelf units and everything else and just built around those. Nice wine rack tucked away under the counters, and a very good size room this one, and absolutely cool, lovely, what you want from a kitchen. Ample floor and wall units, 5-ring gas hob and an electric oven. See a dishwasher in there. Just a quick pan around from this side. Now the door on the left there at the far end goes into a little hallway where you've got a wonderful bathroom and then a double guest bedroom, and shutting that door you've created effectively a little self-contained apartment. Let's have a wander through there first. So beautiful hallway, ending in this super double bedroom that overlooks the garden. So I'll show you the window from the outside in a second, and then you can see further door access here, so like a Jack and Jill door. And as I'm wandering around, just loving the colour in this house. I mean, it's just kind of been refurbished beautifully, very sympathetically. I can hear a little cat meowing away, I don't know if you can. So out of the Jack and Jill door there into this central hallway, door at the end there leads out into the back garden, and then just to the left of this via the utility area, fantastic bath shower room, very good size. So as I say, this part of the house really, if you've got guests over, can be made almost self-contained. They've got access, easy access to the kitchen, to the gardens, bathroom. There's said Moggy, he's going to chat away. And then behind the kitchen, as you saw there, that leads out into the kitchen again. You've got this very good size utility room housing a kind of sink, washing machine, a big fridge freezer, and there's ample room for lots more. So before heading out to the garden, I'll leave that till last, we'll head upstairs. But there's actually, as you've just seen, door access from this level and also door access from the upstairs as well, out into the back garden and the outside space there. Lovely internal marble steps lead you up to the upper floor and straight onto this very good sized landing area, which the owners have put kind of a couch and seating facility in. You can see there the pipe that comes up from the wood burner below. The first door off there to my right takes you into the main family bathroom, which is supersized. 2 more bedrooms off there. And then the main master bedroom, we'll see last, is to my right. So firstly, the main family bathroom. And what a good sized room this is. You're not going to be crammed in here. Wonderful corner bath. And then immediately to the left, a double guest bedroom. They've stuck to the original flooring in here and I think it looks very nice. Of course, this can be over tiled if you want the new tile scheme, but why, when it's working, it looks very nice, why bother changing it? These windows here look out over a wonderful orchard. You know, I think you'll picture from the video that these are very generous sized rooms as well. The next bedroom, I mean, this is a double, but opted for large twin beds in this one. You know, I think there's colour, there's creativity, but I think there's a lovely balance. You know, it hasn't been over furnished, it hasn't been under furnished, it's just spot on. Now, the room that's being used as a master bedroom. Now, this is quite, well, I love it to be honest, but this was a great big glazed conservatory overlooking the back garden, and the current owners have found it's the kind of warmest house, I suppose, part of the house in the winter. So they've literally relocated their master bedroom out here, but of course very easily, I mean, you've got 5 other bedrooms, so very easily these can be brought back into a conservatory big terrace if you want to. It's had all kind of lovely windows added. And then you've got door access, you can see there, which takes you straight out to the garden. That's how we'll get out there and have a look. My little friend is following me around, but coming out of that room, out onto this glorious terrace. You know, I appreciate this isn't the biggest space, but it's still a private back garden, very nicely appointed. This is the roof area of the utility. You've got Spanish neighbours living immediately next door. That's a backup water deposit. And look at this lovely sun deck. I mean, I'm cooking here. And then iron steps that lead down to the chill out zone at the end, and you can see double door access there to the outside again. So there's parking at the front, and you've also got parking here at the back, and from here you can literally see how close you are to that's Olula del Rio. And I don't know if you can see there, but just up the other side of the Rambla you've got the Mercadona supermarket, so you couldn't really be much closer. And that's a very, very large town, loads of shops, loads of bars, loads of great tapas cafes and restaurants. Kind of love this little section of the garden. I mean, here's a chill out, there's a little built-in bar area here, and you can see a dip pool's in situation. It's just been drained, but it's going to be refilled, and that's got a full pump system, you know, and seating all the way around it. Not the biggest pool I know, but you're using that for refreshment essentially. And then this wonderful kind of shaded nook, ideal for the evenings, come down, have a drink, dine al fresco. And that's a door down there that leads back into the kind of utility room and on into the kitchen. I said I'd show you the bedroom window from this side, so there you go. And then there's a very good sized storeroom here off to my right. So there you have it, Cortjo Oleander. Price will be in the subject and descriptions. Full details will follow shortly. But an absolutely cracking buy, very, very well priced. And again, another fantastic alternative, you know, to a villa or an apartment or a duplex. I appreciate you're very much in real Spain, but lots of people have got a demand for that. And you're actually a lot closer to amenities and facilities than a lot of the villa properties on the market currently. So viewings can be commenced immediately. Contact us usual channels, kalidahomes@hotmail.com, +34 950 430 763, +34 634 302 801. Hope you've enjoyed that little video, and hope you'd like to come and see the property because it's absolutely cracking.